My dear friend, I am an author. My name is Vijay Kumar Pal. These are my books. That is Lament of Sinjar by Vijay Kumar Pal. This book is the reflection of the cruelty against Kafir Yazidi women and men by Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi. So, we are disclosing the cruelty of the Islam against the non-Muslims or the civil society. So, question is that when we are telling truth, then what is the blasphemous in the Quran? In India is a banana state now because everywhere police is approaching those people who are exposing the Islam in real sense which is written. So our topic is that UN Charter of Equality all to all cannot be fulfilled until ban the book of Islam, that is Quran. Why non-Islamic countries are not presenting in general meeting of the UNO? UNO to ban the Islam, ban the Quran. UNO wants the third world war between Islamic and non-Islamic countries. Same on UNO. No need of such type of UNO. It cannot curb the Gunism of Islam. This is our topic. And first we will see what is the UNO Charter or the Charter of the United Nations and the Statute of the International Court of Justice. Where is this is the court of the justice. But in world, whenever a Muslim is alive on this earth and he is following the Islam, the justice which was imaginated by the UN Charter in San Francisco in 1945 cannot be fulfilled. The Charter of United Nations, we the people of the United Nations determined. This is the chart. What is the oath of the United Nations organization? To save succeeding generation from the scourge of war. Means there will be no war in the future to save the generations. But it cannot be fulfilled. The first point of this United Nations organization, where the Islam is present on this earth, because Islam does not respect the non-Muslims. He wants to kill all the non-Muslims in the name of the war, in the name of the robbery, that is known as a Mal Ganimat. So this first point of United Nations organization, UN Charter, is